I suggest a new strategy,
Now you've seen us unbox smartphones in a Mini Cooper, in a cafe, in a gym, in a college. But for this smartphone, I'm on top of a UFO. Yes, I'm not kidding. And the smartphone I'm talking about is a very special edition, very close to my heart and a lot of people out there. This is the OnePlus 5T, the Star Wars edition. And to unbox this, I've invited some friends over. Well, some are friends, not all of them, but they are from the Empire. So let's call them. So they're here. Hello Stormtrooper, hello BB-8, and hello there. Well, as I told you, most of them are friends. Well, we'll find out. So let's go ahead and unbox it with them. So as promised, we told you this will be one special unboxing for you guys again, because you always request us to do something special, something unique. So let's do it again, Stormtrooper and BB-8. Let's go ahead and unbox this phone on your own UFO.
As you can see, it is not just the device that is a special Star Wars limited edition. It is the entire packaging. The limited edition box doesn't look like a smartphone box at all. In fact, it looks like a special box set of all Star Wars movies. And this shows how particular OnePlus is about each and everything. Well, there is a lot more in the box that you need to see. So let's go ahead and unbox it. The moment you open the box, you would be mesmerized by the white sandstone finish on the OnePlus 5T Star Wars edition. The red Star Wars logo at the back is all a Star Wars fan can ask for. It's done so beautifully that you'll feel the Force is with you the moment you hold the phone in your hand. For those who haven't seen a Star Wars movie, the white texture on this device is used as an honor to the planet Crate in the movie Star Wars. Inside the box, you get the fastest smartphone power adapter in the world, the dash charger. You also get the dash charge cable, without which the dash charge doesn't work. What's interesting is you also get a Kylo Ren case which you cannot buy from anywhere else. So a lot of exclusives already. One glance at the case and you will know that it is heavily inspired from Kylo Ren's helmet. Along with that, you get the SIM ejector tool and the usual documentation, which includes the quick start guide and the warranty information booklet. Just when I thought I've unboxed the whole package, I figured out there is a secret compartment in the box. Let's see what's inside it. So I found a secret hologram prism. Now it's time to put it to use. Can you believe your eyes? The secret prism hologram that OnePlus shipped in the box has a special message for all the OnePlus and Star Wars fans. So that was our special unboxing of the OnePlus 5T Star Wars edition. We waited for 5 long months to post this unboxing video on the Star Wars Day, that is today, May the 4th. As we've already reviewed the device in December, you can read the unbiased review on our website. Till then, may the Force be with you. Oh, one more thing. You can also use the OnePlus 5T with the Kylo Ren case as a fidget spinner. No kidding.